Big Bear Power is proud to present the BBG2X2 double-headed stump grinder. With dual cutting heads and commercial stump grinding performance, we like to call it the Bear Claw. The 2x2 Bear Claw stump grinder is designed and built from the ground up to get the job done, with the power and reliability that comes with every Big Bear machine. Powered by a 500cc Rado engine with built-in electric start, intuitive controls, and a fully articulating handle for better comfort and control. Built-in OSHA-compliant shutoff bar. The dual cutting head design of the 2x2 Bear Claw enables it to cut a wide path. The 2x2 Bear Claw also comes with an off-road towing kit and an included towing bar, and a 5-year warranty. The BBG 2x2 Bear Claw is available now.